Hi, Peter Stevens here. Want to get better at developing software solutions? If so, I have some exciting news for you and your company. For the first time since 2019, Janane Lianage and I will host face-to-face Certified Scrum and Advanced Agility workshops this November in Colombo. So why Scrum? Why face-to-face? And most importantly, why with us? We give you interactive sessions so you enjoy the experience. We go into the why beyond the how so you really learn and can apply it in real life. And our clients are delighted to write us testimonials. Yours could be next. If we could do this virtually, why do face-to-face? Simply put, nothing matches the energy and learning potential of face-to-face interactions. So why Scrum? Scrum is the world's leading method for product development and change management. With Scrum, you have an internationally recognized certification. With Scrum, you can change your organization to get dramatically better results sooner. We will offer 4 workshops. First, Certified Scrum Master. For everyone involved in product development, from contributor and senior contributor to project and program managers, and even top management. Learn how to work in a Scrum team and how you can use Scrum to improve your team and organization. This is both an awesome introduction to Scrum and a great refresher. The second stop on our program is the Scrum Certified Product Owner course. Learn to work within a Scrum team as product owner, learn to maximize value, minimize risks, write and improve stories. November 28 and 29. Next up is Entrepreneurship and Story Writing. How to build features that impact the bottom line. For business unit leaders, product managers, product owners, Scrum Masters, business analysts, project managers, and other lead roles. Start with an idea, develop it into a business case, then create and refine user stories ready for sprint planning. And finally, Scrum for executives. Scrum can be the key to getting on-time development results. This workshop, exclusively for CEOs and top executive leadership, shows you how. Discover how to lead and support the development organization to get the results you need when you need them. Want to take yourself to the next level? Contact us for more information. See you in November.